Let's get this party started. We are so excited to share with you our new and improved Barbie Kid doll box, and we're going to show you today how to assemble it in just a few easy steps. When you open your box, you will see an instruction sheet, your 2 large pink pieces, and these really fun add-ons. After you lay out all of your pink pieces, your first step is going to be to take your tabs and you're going to fold them back and forth to allow for easy assembly. Step 2, you're going to apply tape to all areas that show tape. After you attach your tape, you are going to take the front of your Barbie box and you're going to attach it to tab 1. You're going to want to make sure as you attach it that it is completely flush on the bottom. Once the front of your box is attached to the back, you're going to take your Barbie box and flip it over so that the pink side is facing down. Once your Barbie box is turned over, you're then going to fold each section of your box. Once you have your Barbie box folded, you'll then take the backing of the tape off of tab 2. You're going to take the back piece of the box, ensure that it is flush, and press down. Once you take the rest of your tape backing off, you're then going to fold each side in and place the top, and you're going to press. After you stand your Barbie box up, you're then going to take the foam cubes that were given to you for this birthday edition, place them on the back, and you can place this wherever you want to on the box. And now you're ready to party.
Okay, Vivi, Mommy has a surprise for you for your party. Ready? Open!
A real Barbie, Mom!